Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Gen Z Career Wing. Today I am starting our Azure Fundamentals series with lecture 0 Introduction. This series is especially designed for BTech students and is focused on exam preparation with easy to understanding and explanation. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and doesn't forget to like, share and comment. Also share this series with your friends so they can benefit too. Now, without wasting any time, let's begin our Azure Fundamentals Lecture 0. The first I will explain the course contents. Which course contains? So first I will explain the which contents I will explain. First I will explain the topic wise, okay? Which I will explain the topic. Which topics I will explain and how many topics I will learn in this chapter. I will explain all the things. Okay, you can make my channel and get a benefits and share your friends and give your likes, comments and share your friends. First, I will discuss the first point is cloud concept. Okay, then after second point is Azure services. Third point is security, privacy, compilations, and trust is the third points. Okay. Then after fourth point is Azure pricing and supports. Fifth point is Azure SLA and services lifecycle. First, I will now what is a cloud concept, what is Azure services and the security, privacy, compilation and the trust, what is mean by Azure pricing and supports and Azure SLA and services lifecycle, what is importance for all the things. I will explain all the term by term. Okay, you can make my channel and get a benefits all the things. Okay, the first this is a cloud concepts. First I will explain the cloud concept. What is a cloud concept and which types of benefits get a cloud concept. Okay, so first you can now cloud concepts. What is cloud concepts? Cloud concepts is the one demand and delivering of computing services including servers, storage, database, networking, software over the networks, that is known as the cloud concepts. Then after I will explain the second points Azure services. Azure services. What is it? Azure services? Azure services is the Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform by a Microsoft to rent computing power like database, storage, and AI tools, so on. That is a Azure services given the Azure services. Okay. Third point is security, privacy, compilations, and trust is known as the third points of Azure services, Azure fundamentals. Okay. First, I will explain the what is the security. Security is a key passports of our entire platforms and the get benefits of these apps and the software that is known as the first key. What is main points? Key is the security purpose our platforms, yeah, anything. Okay, then after I will explain the privacy. What is privacy means? Privacy means is the your private things, your private data. Okay, then that is it mean by privacy. And the compilations means how to secure and the private our key and the password, like that is known as the compilations. And trust is the all the things compared to the and get the satisfaction of the trust. Okay, then after I will explain the fourth point, Azure pricing and the supports. So what is mean by Azure pricing and supports? Which types of pricing that is given in the Azure Fundamentals and which types of support given in the Azure Fundamentals services. Okay, first I will explain the Azure pricing and supports refers to the cost models and the technical assistance structure governing, and the Microsoft Cloud Platform is known as the Azure pricing and the supports. Okay, then after I will explain the given is point number 5, Azure SLA and the services life cycle. Okay, what Azure SLA and services life cycle I will explain. And the Azure services SLA and the life cycle is the Microsoft formal commitment to the minimum uptime and the connectivity of cloud services will provide all the things to related to the Azure services to known as the Azure SLA and the services lifecycle. First, you can know what is mean by SLA. What is the full form of SLA? SLA is a service level arguments. What is it? Service level arguments is a known as the SLA. Okay. Then after I will go from second chapter. Okay. Then second slide is a lesson plan discussion. What is the mean by lesson plan description? So first you can now which types of data is given in this cloud concept, which types of benefits is given in this cloud concept lesson planning. Okay, which types of topic I will learn in the previous time or previous lecture. I will earn the entire things I will give in, and the plan description lesson I will give you. Okay, so first I will explain the cloud concept. Cloud concept is the under mean by and the, all the things is description, which types of things I will explain and the learn in this chapter. Okay, first I will learn understanding cloud computing principles and such as the different types of cloud models, which different types of cloud models, and the understanding cloud computing principle and the public private hybrid infrastructure as a service, and the short form is a as, and the platform as a service that is known as PaaS, and the software as a service that is short form is a SaaS. All the entire things I will explain in the cloud concept. Okay, learn all the things. Okay, for the lecture number 1. And the second point is Azure services. What is Azure services? What is the facilities given in the Azure services? Which types of uh, given the topics I will learn in these Azure services? I will explain all the things. Okay, familiarities with the various Azure services and their command and use cases. This is the include service like Azure Virtuals and the machines Azure App Services, Azure Storage, Azure Functional Function, and the Azure SQL database, and the many more things given in the entire things. I will learn from the helps of Azure services. Then after I will go from slide number 3. Point number 3. The first I will learn and the point number 3 having security, privacy, compilation and trust. The first I will learn these points. The 4 I will learn knowledge of Azure security features, that is things I will learn in this uh, chapter security, privacy and compilation and the trust, and the identity and the SS management and the Azure Active Directory and the data protection and the compilation frameworks and the Azure governance methodologies. All the things is described and the explanation all the things in the previous lecture. Okay. Then after I will point number 4. And the point number 4, Azure pricing and the supports. The first I will what is first I will learn in this chapter, understanding Azure subscription options and the cost management, pricing models, and the different supports option available to the Azure customers. That is all the things explained for the help of Azure pricing and the supports. Okay, and then after option number 5, Azure SLA and services lifecycle, which topics are learn all the things topic wise. Okay, familiarities with Azure services level arguments, that is a short form is a SLA, and the Azure service lifecycle including panels, planned and the maintenance updates and the disparison policies. All the things explained for the previous lecture. You can make my channel and like my channel and subscribe and the share your friends. And then after I will explain the very important entire your knowledge theme for the preparation plans. How you can explain, that is I will given the stepwise how you can preparation plans your futures examinations and you can get a more skills. Okay, then first I will explain the step 1. Step 1 is a watch the videos, my watch the videos 100% for my channel, all the things. Okay, you can go through the YouTube and subscribe my channel and you can learn all the videos, watch the videos 100%. Okay, then after you can step second is learn the concept 50%. Only you can learn the 50%, and your guidance is my side. Then after I will learn the how to your improve your concept and I will learn also. Okay, then after step number 3, only you can prepare how to prepare in this chapters. Okay, and in this Azure fundamentals entire things and you can get a benefits. Okay, step number 3, understand why the concept work and not the just the formal. Okay, then after I will learn the step number 4, take 100% profit in this our channel like Genji Career Wing YouTube channel. Okay, then after you can learn step number 5, maintain handwritten notes. You can learn, look the videos and learn everything. You can maintain the handwritten notes. Then you can previous or the revision time you can not give, not look the entire our plans and our videos. Okay, you can step number 6 have a last option is your side revise, revision and review is so important in the exam points of view. I will explain the all the things. Step number 5, you can exams of a exam time, you can first, you can maintain the handwritten notes. You can review or revision. Okay, review and revision is so important points in the our channel. Then after you can get a so many profits in our channel. That's that's all for today videos. I hope this Azure Fundamentals lecture 0 was helpful for your learning and exam preparation. Your own like and own comments motivate us to create more useful educational videos. So please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Gen Z Career Wing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye.